So in this one, the diammonium urgent phosphate and the calcium nitrate were used as the raw materials for synthesizing of the PCB. So firstly, before starting the experiment, the silicator and the magnetic steel will be turned on at the high temperature for maintaining a stable temperature. Firstly, the 80.34 grams of the diammonium urgent phosphate will be added into the 100 ml of distilled water in the 250 ml beaker. This beaker will be put on the silicator in 10 minutes, and after that it will be took out and put on the magnetic steel, and followed by the 50 grams of the calcium nitrate added into the high-speed stirring solution to avoid the condensation. And when the precipitation was formed, the sodium urgent will be used for adjusting the pH from the value pH 5 to the pH 9 for 2 hours, and the solution will be washed with distilled water 3 times as the slurry will settle down, and the sample will be filtered and dried to achieve the powder sample. And the powder sample, finally the powder sample will be calculated to acquire the PCB with the various velocity of time and the 3 calcium phosphates. For the artificial saliva formulation used in this study is the HAGF medium solution. This table presents the ingredients of the solution. So this work on the ingredient which has been described in the previous slide will be dissolved on the 1000 ml of distilled water, and it will be sterilized to acquire the cleaner solution. And the measuring tool will be used to split out the solution. So in this study, the concentration of the PCB divided by the artificial saliva is 1 milligram divided by 1 millimeter. So the 40 ml of the artificial saliva will be put on the 50 millimeters of the fungus, and it will be silicated in the at the temperature 40 degrees Celsius. So in this, syrup will be used for the characterization. For the first group is the control group with the artificial saliva only, and the other group were the PCB from the pH 5 to the pH 9, which contain the 40 milligram of PCBs, and all these samples is going to store in the oven chamber at the 37 degrees Celsius, and the pH measurement will be performed daily to observe the dissolution rate of the sample, and it will be stored in 7 days, and after that the sample will be filtered and for filterized and to SEM observation. For the characterization, the filtered solution will be added on the 20 ml vials for the SPMS. It will determine the ion concentration of the solution when the immersed by BCB. The BCB after filtering will be put on the container. For example, the Everdot. For the XRD measurement on the experiment will be performed in triplicate at the 7th day